Yeah, baby. How can I pop out the chat, baby? Nobody knows. How can I pop out the chat? I swear to God, it's here. Pop out. Yeah, buddy. Boom, bum, bum, bum. What are we doing here, boys and girls? I need to do some notifications somewhere here. Announcements. And then, do we have a YouTube link, huh? Let me see. Let me see. No, I don't want that. Data and security. Mr. Anthony. This one, huh? Look at that. Yes! On y va! Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. How is it going? How is the day rolling, man? How is the day rolling? I need actually another thing somewhere here. Man. Oh yeah, it's the bootstrap thingy. Okay, we're set. Alright, what's going on here, everybody? What's going on here? Lazar, what's up, baby? Let's go, Top G. Misty Light, what's up? Bit Native. Going down. Puff down. Excellent choice in music, mate. Jan, what's up, man? Jan, the man from Belgium himself. Also an entrepreneur. Correct me if I'm wrong. So, hey, much respect for Jan. Risha Mishira, can anyone suggest a nice framework for building desktop apps in Golang? I tried fine, but I had a lot of bugs. Hey, to be honest, in 2024, why don't we just build something with Electron? You know what I mean? Write everything in HTML. And, write everything in HTML and use something like Electron or something. You know what I mean? Computers are fast, man. Computers are so fucking fast that it doesn't really care anymore. It doesn't really matter anymore. So what are we doing here? Can we actually run this thing? We need to win Bootstrap here because we're working at the core project, right? So we need to go in Bootstrap, make def maybe, and see what's going on here. I hopefully... Man, questions here. Localhost login. Yes, it's working perfectly fine, man. Super Kit! I'm legit! I'm gonna lick your... ice cream. What's up, Mansoor? What's up? Can we try contributing to this project? Yeah, you can. If it makes sense, it can for sure. So what do we need to do? Basically, we have something that is the authentication plugin, right? We have login here. It's not gonna actually maybe it's gonna work. Maybe it's Super Hunter at Super Hunter 1. I remember that. It's crazy. So what I want to do is email verification because we skipped that in the config, huh? In the config. So basically, I'm thinking here. I also want to change some stuff up. Let's actually do that first. Let's do that first. So how can we do that? So we have out, and then I want to make this clean so we can do stuff. So I'm gonna say mkdir. If somebody knows the Neo tree, actually, to be honest, Can we do something like... It's this temple file. Can I do R? Do this. Go to... Bootstrap. Wait, so is it... I hope it's gonna work. Bootstrap, app, views, no, plugins, no, it's not. It's not. It's not. Okay, stop. Where are we? Bootstrap plugins out. So if somebody knows how I can create a folder in here, that would be amazing. Let me zoom in for the blind homies. So we could do something like this. Look at that. That's why I love it. So we could do app. Wait, I don't know. Where is it? Where is it? I need to... It's probably going to be Bootstrap. Plugins. Views. Crossing the fingers. Could not rename this file. The question is, where are we? So I can rename this very easily to out111. It's not going to be a problem, right? So I could maybe rename this, and I'm going to say, wait, I could say R. Wait, I need to escape here, out, and then go just say, hey, fuck it, it's going to be views. It's going to be views, view/out, please. No, it's not. It's not working. How can we do that? I want to learn this. Maybe it's /bootstrap plugins views. Yeah. No. Oh, we forgot out. Where am I actually here? Move the file into views. Move that file into views. Now. Right. I don't... It should work. Yes! Haha! Yes! Yes! Views. Boom. Boom patat. That's nice. So that's what we want. We want to have this in views, right? So now it's going to be a problem because we're going to have some handlers going on. Out. The profile handler, for example, it's gonna do some stuff, huh? So that's gonna be problematic because, hey, I cannot find this file, Anthony. Please, please, sir. Mama, mama. Calimero, mama. Mama. I think I got a good ID. I don't think. Why is this profile hand gonna... Yeah, it's not importing anything, right? So we need to check. So, the problem profile show is this one probably. Huh? So, hey, actually, to be honest, we are in big trouble. Because we need to actually... We need to, let's say, let's start with out, I would say. Because this is package out. That's not true, that's package views. Right? So that's fine. Now we need to do the next thing. So temple. So we have out is done. Landing is not a problem. Sign up is a problem. Sign up is a problem. Temple. What do we need still? Out. Profile show. Views. Yeah, and this is coming, yeah, so this is coming from the handlers, huh? Okay, I can see that. Can we go GG into this thing? We can't. So there's no problem. Profile is going to be... Some refactoring, why not? Let me close this. Let's go here, right? Profile schema. This is a profile forum value, so I could actually delete this. To be honest, I don't really like what I'm doing. I was thinking, we have this out plugin. If people want to change the views, they need to search into this folder. Maybe if it's in views, it's more compact. But the thing is that... Oh, we could use out. But out uses as circular dependencies. You see, that's circular dependencies. We try to organize stuff, and what happens? Getting circular dependencies. Unless we refactor everything into handler package. What do we do here? What do we do here? Are we making it organized, or say fuck it, self-contained plugin, right? Something like this. Git reset, reset hard. Oh yeah, right. And we just do it like that. And then this folder views, we can actually, can we delete this? Yes. Get them out of here. You know what I mean? I'm gonna close. It's gonna complain. No, it's not. That's fine. Right? What do you think? Because now everything is in this folder, right? The views. But if we create a view folder, we need to create a handler folder as well. And a types folder as well. What do you think? What do you think? Let me see what... It would be good to have separate views folder. I have one file project. May not go is enough. May not go is enough. The only Golang dev I can watch without getting bored. Rishi! Mishra, what's up, man? So, this is the best compliment you could ever give me, baby. And that's why I love you. I don't know what we're gonna do. Basically, I just first code this email verification thing, and then we can, it's just swapping things out. Not a big of a deal. Can I BD this? We can't. Oh yeah, that's fine. Look at that. Oh, these shortcuts and everything is fine. Boom, delete this. Nobody gonna save this now. It's gonna work. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, let me think. Email verification. I was thinking we need to go. We make a route. Routes. Bootstrap apps, plugin out, routes. The mouse. We don't use that. So we're gonna group these things with authentication. That's not gonna happen if we do that with an email link. So we need to do that. This is strict, so that's fine. So we could do, it's gonna be a get probably, something like that. How are we gonna call this? If we don't know how we call that, we're just gonna do something like this. Laravel. How is it called? Laravel email verification and endpoint points. And then still not can type it. That's crazy. That's the pinnacle of endpoint, baby. The route, the URL, email verify. Easy as that. It's just easy as that. Just copy what? Copy success. That's what you need to do. Copy success. If you see somebody is jacked, do exactly what he does. Eat what he does. Do the exercises he does or she does. That's what you need to do. Copy success. That's what you need to do. Kit handler, handle out. And so we're gonna actually do... we could do it in here, right? So let's go here and then let's make something like at the bottom. Authenticate user. That's not what we want. Func. Handle. Email. verify. Get errors. Return. No. I'm using Alacrity, guys. So one of the biggest reasons why I didn't use NeoVim was because I had a lot of... You see these line height, the line heights here, and the font rendering. Alacrity. So I basically hacked it a little, hacked it a little bit. I just simple config, and then it uses WSL2 behind the scenes, and it's just like having. Why is this mouse always in the fucking way? And it works like a charm, man. I love it. So now it looks like VS Code, and that's what I wanted. The line heights. Hey, email verify. Handle. Email verify. It's that easy. So what we're gonna do is we need to do. Are we going? Yeah, we're gonna do this. Handle email verify. Code. What do you think? Or verification code. Verification code. Code, man. That's what we need. You can change the font line height from Alacrity config. Yes, exactly. That's what I said, right? So with Alacrity, you can configure all that bullshit. And then now it is the perfect the line height that I want. And you could not do that with Windows Terminal. And Windows Terminal just renders bad. It's slow. It's garbage. It's garbage. And I thought Alacrity was only for Mac or Linux. But apparently it's also for Windows. And I said, hey, that opens up some opportunities, because on my MacBook, I can have NeoVim and Alacrity in the same config, synced. And so I have the same setup on both machines, and that's what I want. Right. Okay? Clear, ladies and gentlemen? Email verify. Okay, cool. So how are we gonna do this? Let's do something like fmt println. There's gonna be a chi route params, URL params actually, URL param code the R git. So that's another thing that we actually have git request, is because we cannot do git.url param. Why? Because then SuperKit is tied to the underlying framework, and the one of the benefits of SuperKit is that it's that's why it also is called a kit. It's not because Golang community is kind of wild, right? Oh no, I don't want to use this. Oh no, use stand library. Oh no, use echo. Oh no, oh no, oh no. That below. So you're always complaining. So I thought, hey, let's make a SuperKit, and we use my idioms, my opinions. But if you want, you can swap them out, and everything still works on the DB, other framework, other whatever you want. But we give you something out of the bat. Best of both worlds. Render on a Netlify. Anthony, glad you switched to NeoVim. I was sad you had relapsed to VS Code. But yeah, so the only reason was the visuals. The line height, actually, to be honest. The fucking high. The terminal, the Windows terminal. And now we fixed it. So it's GG. And I spent a lot of time configuring all that bullshit on all my keybinds. And I deleted. Oh man, it was crazy. But now it's fine. Personally hand-tailored. Actually, the idea came from this. I was thinking, hey, I want to build my own editor. Can I hack VS Code to do exactly what I want? And you cannot even render these panes. For example, this, right? You cannot render such a pane in VS Code. You can't. And that's like, okay, GG, game's over, right? Because I cannot make my own telescope decently. So that's said, fuck. You know what? Let's try NeoVim again and spend some time with it behind the scenes. And then just come in hot. That's what we're doing. So that's the code, right? So can we actually... How are we going to do this here? Email verify. Man, this is so... We got it here, right? There's the email verification code. So What we're gonna do is we need to create a mailer interface. How do we do that? Actually, to be honest, why don't we use a GBT string for that, guys? I was thinking, why can't we make a JSON web token? How do these things actually work? I have no clue. So why couldn't we make a JSON web token with the user ID embedded? And then we open up, we unpack the GBT here, the claims, right? And then we have the ID, and then we know what we need to do. What do you think about that, guys? Is that a play here? Are you using a framework frontend? No. No, man. Like I said, it's all SuperKit. The underlying framework is Tailwind, but I configured everything, so it's actually kind of, you know, you can. You see, it's like I configured everything for you guys. Are we gonna use a GBT? Does that work like that? Yeah, I think it is. Shut up. Is it this one? Yeah, that's V5, right? Hola! I cannot paste in here. That's annoying. I need to fix that. Why is this? Is it? It's probably Alacrity, because it's okay. GG. GitHub.com. Need to fix that. GitHub.com. Golang GWT. GWT v5. And I probably can copy it from here then. Is that? Yeah, that works. Okay. Try floating terminal is crazy. It will light the day. Yeah, the floating terminal is pretty good. I like it. What's up, Benjamin? What's up? Ah, Benjamin is back. I remember Benjamin. I remember you, man. I remember you. Where do we create this GBT? We create that in sign up process, huh? Confirm email and we send it here, right? So I would actually do something like I'm gonna place that. We need to be very careful here. We cannot save our file, or it's GG well played. Man, what's that? It's crazy. Create GBT email. Create a verification token. Don't save. GBT dot. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. You know why? Then it stays in my import path. This is like a. Not a lot of people will understand what's going on, but sometimes when you. Okay, how does it work? You don't care? Examples, baby. Hey! Ah, hier. Hey! Parse with claims. You don't want to parse. New with claims, that's what you want. Reguess the custom claims. Reguessed claims, what's that? Ah, okay. We do it like this. We don't care about that. A map is good. A map. What's reguessed claims? That's map claims, man. GBT new with claims. Okay. What the hell? So many signing methods. This one. I think I remember that we have map claims. Look at that. We can do a verif. We can do. Yeah. We can do this. Expires. Add as well. We're gonna say time. Time now. Add dates. 0, 1 day or something. I don't know, man. Claims not used. I'm gonna say the claims in here. And then we need an options. What's that? No, but that's that. And that's what's it gonna return this thing actually? I don't know. A GBT token. Okay. Yeah, this is fine. Get out of here. Token is this actually. But wait, that's a GBT token, right? I wanna have a string actually, to be honest here. That's signed string. That's what we want. Token is this thing. Return token dot signed string. An error. GG. GG. I mean, why is it an error? Why? I don't like this. But it's a public thing, so we need to check it. So what we're gonna do is this. Let's do string error as well, and then just say return this thing. What do you think? So then we're gonna insert this user here. Wait, we need to email. Man, what we could do is something very nice, right? So we could do this, right? So are we gonna do this? Event emit user dot sign up users and find events. Wait, what's going on here? Let's emit this event. God damn it. Yeah. To be honest. But that's something. Do we want to use that in a plugin? I mean, this is an out plugin. Do we want to hassle with events and plugins? I think these side effects is something you don't want. In my opinion. But we could emit that. And now we need a mailer. Now we need a mailer, boys. Tailwind. Hey, Sir Johnny, you're Italian. No, man. No. Why re-implementing expires instead of using the standard X payload property? Is that all implementations verify the token will error because is that I don't know, Jordan, yeah man, I don't know, man, I have no fucking clue. So you say that inside of this token is an expire Z or something. It's probably in the string. Can somebody explain me that? How does that work? You see, boom, it's already taken care of. Google expire property GBT. Okay, I will do that, man. Expire property GBT. We're learning. Expire property GBT. Stack Overflow. Do we want to be in here? No, we want to be here. Hopefully. Red pill, blue pill. More choices even. Look at that. Configuring your privacy takes accept all. I trust you. Your GBT anyway. Ah. The issuer, the expiration time, and the subject, and an audience. So what you mean is that we cannot extend sub is user ID. Okay, GG, man, GG. Thank you I'm so happy that I know you guys. You know what? I'm so happy that you are here because I'm learning so much. I never used that. I used GBT a lot, but I just dump stuff in it in the claims and the map claims and call it a day. But that's actually... Wait. So the issuer, what is that? We don't know. Yeah, that's spies out, which yeah, this is this, right? These are these claims. Time now. At date. Man, what's going on with my thingies? 0, 1 day for just for the sake of. Cannot use time. What the hell is that even? A numeric date. I don't like this. A pointer to a numeric date. Why is that even like this? Why? Who's making this? Why is it so complex? This reminds me of Rust. Hey, this is a type, but no, now it's another type wrapped in another type to type. On top of an enum. Throwing in a result. Do we want that? There's some example here. GBT new numeric date, time Unix. Okay. New numeric dates. Time. Now. Alright, GG. Well played. And then the issue. And you say that the subject is the user ID then, or what? FMT sprint. The user ID, right? New numeric date. And then some other stuff we need to figure out, but that's fine. Then we're gonna have a token, return this token to the question address. We're gonna create it here, and then the mail is gonna send that token, right? So now we need to have some kind of a NOP mailer or something that can print the token into the console so we can use that. That's something that we need to do. I'm thinking here, a mailer. We could actually create in Kit itself, right? So basically, but we are in Bootstrap. It's not willing to go in here. You see? That's annoying, huh? That's fine. So I think we need a mailer. So how are we gonna do this? Kit validate view. That's on the helpers here. So we could actually mkdir a new folder here. Mail. And now you could have a mail package. Let's call it email. You could have an email package with several providers. Supabase, Resend, MailChimp provider, all that stuff, but also something like a NOP provider, which is something that just logs to console, for example, and then people need to implement. People can commit other email providers, you know. But is email a good package? Because email is a word that's getting used a lot as well in things, right? Or not? So maybe we should do mail. Mailer. But yeah, you're gonna call it like email.new, mailer.new, email.new, resend provider, mail.new, resend provider, mail.new, MailChimp provider, mailer.new. I don't know. What do you think? Are they using GBT in conjunction with Gorilla Sessions? Gorilla Sessions are getting used for sessions, for user sessions. The GBT is used for the email token. I don't know. I was just thinking like, hey, we need to send a token. Let's do an email token so we don't need to store these tokens in the database and query them. We can just create a GBT, embed the ID, send that GBT over. Sent the GBT over. What? We didn't even sign that thing. How can we validate that? That's crazy. Huh? I don't even understand what's going on here, to be honest. So then they just click the link with the send. Go to the link with the token. Click the email. I mean, and then we can get the user ID from that. Stateless thing, yeah, something like that. So otherwise, you need to store a token in your DB, and then. What happens if the token expires? You need to set a new one. How is it gonna work? All these things. Package mail, man. Package mail. Yeah. We're gonna do a couple of actually, to be honest, mkdir mail. Yeah. Yeah. How is it gonna work? Back mailer interface, huh? No, not notification, because notification is something different. A mailer is a mailer. Mailer.send mail. Or sent. And then gonna be a context. Context. What's a good email interface? Huh? Notification is also a good one too. Okay, Mansour, you're right. Benjamin is telling you that you're right. But the thing is that okay. Let's just say notifier. Is it the correct spelling? Notify. But what are we notifying? Can we do this? Doesn't work like that. Is that gonna work? Peek, send and receive. What framework are we talking about? SuperKit. SuperKit, baby. Is offline, right? Make dev. Man! Yeah, so I'm working in the same project where the bootstrap lives, and we copy that. There's a lot of things going on, right? Don't use any. This is not any, man. This is an yeah. Well, this is an any for now, but it's not going to be an any when you create a notifier, right? And an error, of course, right? Is that can we live with this, with something like that? So you're gonna have something, for example, type nope notifier struct. You could do something like that. Notify ctx context. Yeah, so how do we do that, right? I never use generics, I'm not gonna lie. Is it like that? Is that a thing? You can't, right? You can't use generics in these things. You just can't. You can't do that. Never. Wait, I'm gonna test this real quick because I'm actually a little bit confused with these generics. Because if you have a notifier and you don't have and that's where the over-engineering starts. We started out with an emailer. Now it's a notifier, and tomorrow it's going to be a new framework for sending emails, notifications, and we're going to create Notify base with an SQL backend on top of that, all written in Rust. Because if you create a mailer, right? If you create a mailer, it's going to be much simpler, right? Because if you create a mailer, you're gonna have... You don't gonna hassle anymore with the... Send mail, for example, context, and then you could do type... Contents, mail.contents. I'm thinking about that. I'm just trying to flesh things out here. Right, and then we're gonna send mail. Contents with an error and a context. Don't we want to have some kind of a status or something? Maybe, right? I don't know. An integer? Still not sure. So we don't need this anymore. And these contests could be like a title. How do you say that? BCC and all that stuff. How do you call that in an email? CC string, BCC string. How do you call it? A title string, body string, something like that. You see? Santosho, man. What the hell is that? Yeah, this is gonna be slices, right? Slices of emails. That's nice. We could verify that with our validation package. GG. And now we're gonna say something like this. Type nope mailer. There's gonna be a structure, and then we could say func. We're gonna say np, which is a nope mailer. Send email. Underscore context, and that's gonna be the contents error, something like that. What's going on here with this Marshall indent? What the hell is going on? I don't know, I'm just doing crazy stuff, huh? Why is that? Marshall indent. VP. Ah, it's like that. Okay. Something like that, right? Wait, is this an out handler, I guess? Let's skip these events for now. There's a Golang package for that. That's unfortunate. It's fine, I cannot see, yeah. We need to change our Go mod file that it links here. That's a problem. That's what we need, because otherwise it's all fine. Don't worry about that. Spot. Where is out user? No. Is it gonna find that? Yeah. So the problem is that we are sitting in the bootstrap folder, which basically links to the upper folder, and it's not the best way to do things to develop in. Normally you should work with workspaces, but because this is just for development, so we don't need to. That's the best thing I could come up with, because we copy this bootstrap folder as the actual project in the installation process. You know what I mean? Mail. Actually, to be honest, why is there a problem with Go mod, huh? So what the only thing we did is actually we said, okay, SuperKit is linking to this thing. Because this module AABBCCDD is getting replaced by your project name, you know. The thing is that I'm confused here. Can we fix that? We can't fix that. Do you use Go? No, it's JavaScript. I can't imagine people coming into the street thinking, hey, what is this guy doing? I know, but this is things you... They are directly... But they have no clue. Let me think here. Yeah, the send mail. Well, why is this a problem? You could do get request context, and then some kind of a context is going to be mail.contents, something like that, and it's going to be an error, but it doesn't really matter. But it recognizes this, right? It recognizes that, so that's good. Okay, cool. So what I could do basically here, because we changed this Go mod file on the fly, we could do an LSP restart, hopefully, and clear the problems like that, because we changed the Go mod file on the fly. Okay, that's that. So basically, bro, calm, just press the keyboard accidentally. Hey man, no worries, man. We are always calm. We are always tranquilo. Tranquilo. Gustavo, tranquilo. So this code is not exposed as a library, rather as boilerplate. Two things that happens with the SuperKit thing. Two things. You're gonna have a it's basically a framework, which is highly extendable. Can be swapped with whatever you want, but it gives you a boilerplate, which every framework gives you, right? It's gonna give you a structure, a project structure. It's going to give you an authentication plugin if you want. It's going to give you that, but it also gives you some kind of a helper functions. For example, in Vue, you can import Kit's Vue package, so you could have these assets, authentication helpers, URL helpers, and more helpers in the future. Or for example, you could have a validate package is in here. You could have the event handler is in here, and so on and so on. So it's getting a framework. These helpers are all the helpers we use at the things we do at 11U. The helpers we need at 11U, that's the ones we bring over. That's basically the idea, right? Yeah, I mean, that should be good to go. Wait, that's not true, because we don't send anything, idiot. Okay, verification token. User ID if R is not no. Return. How are you gonna do that? If you cannot, I don't know. You're just gonna return add and figure it out. Let's just say, let's just send it to the title. Here, your token, bitch. Do something with it. We're gonna. Do we need to do a destination? How does it work? I don't know. It's fine. We want to see this. We're gonna fix that later on. Isn't it better to have a notify interface where you pass the user entity as and the token? Then your library uses. Yeah. That's way better, to be honest. Now I think about that. Okay, let's just first try to sign up. Then we're gonna get some notification. Try some notifier thing. How do we register here? Sign up. Email foo@barsch.com. Gewoon, nee, dat is super stom. We're gonna do @superhunter1 @superhunter1. Okay. Beautiful. Why is that? Because now we can take this thingy. Right? We have 1 day. We have 1 day, guys. Let us be honest. This is a 1 day expiration. So we can copy that. And then we can actually do something like this. Email, verify, and paste that in. Haha! Clipboard is broken. I need to fix that. Press enter. And now we have it here. And now we can work with that little fella. Used HTMX. Yeah, of course we use HTMX in production. There is nothing wrong with HTMX in production, right? HTMX is basically just a simple AJAX call. Like we do for over 30 years. People think... That's the problem. You can clearly see. Some people have no clue what HTMX does. I already explained that. It does... It replaces 10 to 20 lines of code for you each time you call. That's what it does. So you don't need to make a JavaScript file. You don't need, you can just do it in your HTML and you save yourself creating a file, creating the build tools, creating the transpiler, creating the whatever. Going back and no, just HX post. I know ghost. Something like that. Okay, so then we're gonna have this I cannot even go into my AMP files. That's annoying, isn't it? Is there a reason you prefer verification links over verification codes? For email, yes. For email is most likely always a link. You just click the link and it's good. That's the old school, and that's if people want to use something else, fine. But I mean, for now it's good. We need to be very careful with the, because it could be that this song is gonna play for 20 hours. So let's basically where do we get this bitch? Here. Alright, so let's do token. It's gonna be that's a code here, right? Actually, we should do token instead of codes. Oh, do we need to do that? I mean, you could just verify it. Doesn't really explain that. What kind of a status is this? I have no fucking clue. Hey, what should I... Volodymyr Zuyev. Hey, what should I read to learn about clean and secure DB design? Oh, man. I think you're on the wrong address here. You're dirty bitches. I mean, does it not need to sign that with a key? I mean, I'm a little bit confused here, but hey. Where's this parse thingy, man? I had this beautiful options, but now I lost them. Where are they? Here. Parse with claims. Can I paste it in? I can't. I cannot paste this. Probably like that. Okay, cool. Okay. Chi. Whoa. I paste this in and my editor is cut off. Okay, what's this, man? Token my custom claims. We don't have custom claims. GBT. We guessed it claims. GBT token. Why is it not working? Why is this mouse also always in the way? Alright. Secret, I guess. What is leeway? Leeway Jenkins. Copy paste. Fixing copy pasted code is, what is this? If claims, else if. GBT, the guest games. I don't know what we need to do here. Probably something like that, right? And then do this. Claims. Shit, there's already claims. Yeah, claims. Wait. Man, we use GBT here. I don't understand. Oh, yeah. The plan behind me is as plastic as it can be, man. It's plastic as fuck. Why is this function such big? Where's token string? Okay, it returns the secret. Where's leeway? Yeah, so type string. I really hate that. Wait, but why are we... Okay, yeah, okay. I don't think it's actually gonna... It's... Wait, I'm so confused. This function is so bad that who makes this? Look at this function, man. Okay. Okay. Okay, I got it. I got it. You don't need this bullshit. That's what I thought. We can do this, right? Why is V4, man? Who is doing this? Who is importing V4? Okay, now we can see some things. Claims dat fool, man. Ugh. Shit happens. But wait a minute. Now we can do that. Invalid verification token. Is this a string? Fuck you. Yeah, what? Even get you a 500 page pre-coded. Isn't that amazing? Huh? Okay. That's why they always do these things, huh? That's why they always do this. You know what I mean? That's what they do, right? Is that a route param? I think it's going to work like that as well. But not quite sure if it's gonna work like that. No. No. Okay, how do we do this then? Actually, we don't need to care. We can do. Wait, is this a thing? Oh, no, look at that. Sorry that I'm a little bit on the quiet thing because I need to focus, then it's all gonna be way better. Who is? Ah, I thought somebody was importing GBT4 again, or something like that. I don't know what's going on actually. It's fine. It's the same error. It's the same fucking error, huh? I think it should work. I mean, email verified token is this thing. We get the token, huh? We're missing. Are we missing stuff? Yeah. Three parts, Daddy. There's only 2 parts here. Is your token valid? You would also have 3 segments, yeah? I know. Where is the other segment, huh? That's weird. That's very it's already registered then, I guess. Wait, I can do this. +2. Wait. Super Hunter 1, huh? Oh, we get only 2 of these things. Why use an email token? Why use a GBT token to do that? Because then you can have an expiry and you don't, without having to need state for that token, you know? You can have a stateless stuff. You need to generate a random string anyway, so why don't you generate a GBT token then? So you don't need to store anything in your database. The only thing you need to do is get the ID from the claims. Cappuccino, Magarena. I don't understand why this thing doesn't work. Maybe we do something wrong. I don't know. Oh yeah, we can't. We need to do token is, huh? Yeah, I mean, this token is being created. But the thing is that something is missing. I was already thinking about this. Like, where is the fucking secret involved with this? This is a signing string. This is not what we need. Where is this method to get the fucking string of the whole token, bro? Signed string. Ah, signed string. Okay. Yeah, of course. Yeah, I was thinking. This is. What is this? This is the secret, huh? Where are we? Here. Is it gonna be like that? Let's get env. Super gets secret, huh? Is that a thing? I'm still in space, and there's no one here to save me. Yeah, we're gonna yeet you in space. Can somebody yeet this guy in space? I will yeet him. I will yeet him myself. How do we yeet somebody, dude? How the fuck do we yeet? How many timers do we give this guy? Decide. What do we do with this one? What do we do with this man? Ban? No, we're not gonna ban him. We're not gonna ban him. We're gonna give him a 1 minute timeout. Let's say 5 minutes. Normally I would ban him because he was so funny. We're gonna give him 5 minutes. Go smoke a cigarette or something and come back. Yeah. +3. This password. I need to be like @superhunter1. Probably already for. Yes. Yay! You beat the poopy! We got the goods. Yeah. Yes. Supero. Email verificación de la para aquí. We got some claims. User ID is 4, baby. Basic stuff, to be honest. Like, but that's a thing, right? You could see, like, I need to look things up. I fail with this authorization stuff, which is for some people it's kind of default stuff. Whilst some other things I'm doing could be like, for other people, like, what the hell, this man is crazy. But it's just based on domain. The domain where you work in, right? If you put me like 6 months into SuperKit authorization and making, then I'm gonna be some kind of a specialist, right? I'm gonna know everything, and the next time I need to do it, it's gonna be fluent. GBT, bop, authentication sessions, easy peasy. But it's like sometimes you need to force yourself in these things because authentication, who's doing that these days still? You have all these frameworks doing it for you, right? So you never actually, back in way back where you needed to do these things yourself, now it's not happening anymore, right? So that's from time to time. It could be nice for people working in whatever language in a specific domain to sometimes just get out of your comfort zone. And do not be afraid to fail. Like I'm 37 and I'm failing here all the time. Doesn't really matter, right? That's programming. That's life, baby. You're either a pro or a noob. That's life. Diresh Pandey, you got me into Golang, man. Hears from me and cheers from me and India, bro. Hey, if I could speak Indian, I would do it. But I can't. Thank you so much, man. Fake filler, by the way. Fake filler? What's that? You will still need a way to revoke an invitation. Then blocked the verification. Yeah. I know. Pinonic. Don't make things too complex for now, please. Give me some breathing room. But it's not really permissions, just simple email verification token, as simple as it can be. The simplest one. You send an invitation and it expires. No, not an invitation. You send an email verification token. Like, this is the sign-up process, right? You sign up. Somebody needs to verify his email. He needs to click a link so we know it's him. We need to know who that is. If the link comes into our backend, we have the GBT, we have the ID. GG, well played. There is no need, and an expiration. There is no need to do something else. So actually, what we need to do here is token. Are we checking that? If token, we can do this. If token valid, let's do the same thing here. We don't care actually, to be honest. Boom. Need to think about that, errors. You can think about that. Skip that. How do we do this? claims dot expires at time before time now. We could render a page here, to be honest. We could render a page in this case. Can we please stop doing time like that? Verification code is verification token expired. We will fix these errors later on, and the correct namings. We just need to get something going on. We could do user ID R is going to be claims subject. Let's get subject. That's gonna be a string as well. We need to parse that. String conf atoy. It's invalid, man. Fuck that shit. That's perfect. I'm thinking here. How do we set these fields? We could actually do... We're gonna do this. We could do actually that if... Where is out, man? Just get out, I guess. We're gonna change these errors, man. Let me think real quick here. We're gonna get the out. So so Kit can, this the helper from Kit gets your authentication, because the authentication is kind of weaved in, but also very extendable, and it's gonna return something, and you can cast that to your authentication implementation. That's how it works. It's basically the same thing, like do some authentication in middleware, set your user, your fetched user into the context, get it back from the context in your handlers. That's how everybody doing it, but it's tedious. That's annoying. This is better. Well, kind of the same. So basically, we're gonna get this user ID from the claims, and we're gonna check if the... We can't. What are we doing here? What are we fucking doing here? Stateless, you idiots. Who are you? Anthony, you suck. We can't do that. We just need to believe that if somebody sends this thing, is that we're gonna verify him. Yes. Yes. Golang bun update. How does it work? Without fetching the user first. That's not what we want, man. Okay. How does it call? I have no fucking clue. You don't verify that. Okay. Man. Where are we? Yes. Actually, no, we can't. We can, I guess. What are we returning? We don't know. I'm gonna return here. We need to fix the errors. We need to fix the return errors. Not quite sure what we're gonna do. Do we want to send a page? Do we don't want to send a page? What do we want? I have no clue. Redirects. HTTP status. C other slash. Fuck. We have that somewhere. Yeah. Wait, what are we doing with this? So basically, he needs to log in, right? We're not gonna. Are we gonna log him in? We're not gonna log him in, right? Are we logging him in? Are we logging the user in? I don't think you do. Why not? We have the opportunity, right? We have the opportunity too, because we have the user. We should all be secure, so we can just say like a OTP. Why can't this GBT not act as an OTP login as well? It's your email verification thingy, but as well your first OTP. I don't know. But the thing is with these Golang King is back. I'm so sorry for the 5-minute ban. But the thing is with Golang Fiber and all these other frameworks is they do the same thing. You know what I mean? Get a param. What they do not do, guys, is this. The most important thing is this. What SuperKit is doing is this. Look at this. Sign up schema. That's people say, oh yeah, okay. No, the magic comes in here. Your schema is this. This is your schema. Look at my hand. Follow my hand. And then you do this. Login form values. Validate my request. Put in the request. Give your values and your schema. And after this, your values are being populated and validated in the correct types. And if it's not valid, you get a bunch of errors, which you can directly just return with your HTMX response into your login form, your values and your errors. Boom, boom. This does not exist in Golang yet. In this setup, like I did it, I'm the first one in the world. The first one. There are people trying, some have body parsers and with some validation, and yeah, it's not like this. Not like this. No, jamais. Jamais de la vie. Il parlait français très bien. Comprends? Comprends, monsieur? Bon, enfin, c'est quoi ça ici, hein? You see, I speak French. I can make, like I said, making trouble. I can make trouble in every language. You know what I mean? That's pretty elegant and not clunky, not gonna lie. Exactly. 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 What are we doing here? Okay. Okay, no OTP, no OTP, no OTP, no OTP. So, slash login. Login. Ça va? Ça va bien? Allez, vite. Wait. Can somebody tell me how I can enable in my Neo 3 the hidden thingies? Show me the hidden. Show me the money! There are 6 hidden. Open them up. Shift H. God damn it. There's always a smart people here. There's always some smart. Now I need to check here. Boom. Fuck, that's Shift K. I'm an idiot. Boom. Oh man, who is this Randex? Out of nothing. RandXN is here. Like a chameleon. He is. Let me see. Let me see Randex here. Let me check him here. Randex. Not to be seen. Randex wasn't here. And suddenly he pops up out of nothing with a question that I basically thought nobody would know. That's amazing. That makes my day. Like these things, Randex. Randixon, like these things make me so happy. Like suddenly somebody, I was thinking, I had the same problem today. Like how can I, but it's amazing. Because in VS Code, you see all this bullshit in your thing. And now they are handling, can I shift back? Look at that, man. Look at this. Oh, too many notifications here. Is there no debounce thing or something? What's going on here? All right. What I want to do is this. Env is not getting... Yes. No C. Duplicate session expiry. Skip verify. False. It's fine. It's fine. This is my formatter. Basically is also a formatter for these environment variables, apparently. It's all good. It's even better. I think it's also removing white space. Let me check. Yes! That's why we need it. Removing white spaces. Yes. Well, again, it's the best day. It's the best day today. Yeah, the secret don't... This is getting generated in install. You get a secure thingy. But right now this is for testing. Because what we ship to the user is basically this. is basically this. That's what we ship. Let me actually save that. It's not formatting because this is the env local. He's not smart enough. So we are basically reworking that, right? Okay. We might wanna, and this is a smart move from me. So this is env local, but in the git ignore, we have env. So what I do is, this is my local env, what I use for the developing on the core. At installation process, I copy the env local into just .env. So you have a .env. You can just do make dev. Everything works, and it's not sitting in your Git history. You cannot commit it because the Git ignore will prevent that. Isn't that beautiful? I think it is. The simple things, but these quality of life improvements, they make the difference. So a Timmy can just do make dev and be happy. So skip verify is false. So basically, let us do this. Let me do a local host here. Let me sign me out. Now I need to remember what email address I used actually. So normally, wait, I need to reboot because we changed the I changed the dev thingies, right? So normally if I log in and I log in with the, which one is it? This one +3, I guess. And then, oh, this password, man. At super hunter 1. What's going on? What did we do wrong? Nothing. Yes, okay. Please verify your email. I don't really like this. Should be a little bit bigger. So we skip verify on. Please verify your email. Let's do that real quick. Doesn't really matter. You can do it here. I hate this. I hate filling in forms. I'm not a former. At super hunter 1. Classic stuff, I know, but I'm happy. You know, it's a little bit of a hassle. So this is like Laravel for Go, something like that, but it's kind of, I mean, it uses chi and all that stuff, but you can change your route and everything. You can, if you want to use something else like STD, go ahead. Everything, the kit, that's why it's called Super Kit, because it's like a lot of things ensembled with some helper functions and some, for example, the DB. For example, AppDB. For example, DB is query bun. Is a bun DB for now. I still need to figure out how to figure it. It's bun DB. Some people don't want to use bun. They want to use SQLC. So what Kit is doing, Kit basically checks your AMP file. It creates for you, based on the drivers, it creates for you an SQL object. Right? It generates an SQL object, and you can do whatever you want here. If you want, you can change it to SQLC because you have this the Golang SQL object. You can do whatever you want with that. And so things, right? Authentication. There is a plugin built in. That's what we're doing right now. You see in the Bootstrap, you have plugins out. There's a self-contained plugin with everything you need for this authentication. You can turn it on, you can turn it off, or you can roll your own. Or you can make another authentication plugin. For example, Supabase or whatever you want, right? These helper and middlewares, so it has an opinionated, it's unopinionated in a lot of things, but also opinionated in how it needs to work. So the out plugins and everything can work together. That's why. How can I explain that? I mean, for example, if you open up core, the middleware, for example, you see that I am. Wait, there's no one we need. For example. So, for example, the authentication function needs to return this interface. And I'm putting that in the out. I'm putting this in specific keys in the context. But you're gonna see. Rolling your own out, the only thing you need to do is provide this function. This function here. This outfunc. Here. This outfunc is the only thing you need to do. This outfunc. And if you see what the outfunc is for this session-based authentication, it's just this. The only thing we do is we check some stuff, and then we return this out. Wait, this out, which is an interface and has this method. Check, and that's the only thing it needs to have. Actually, I think it's pretty good engineered, I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty well thought about. Check. And that's it. Fake filler extensions, but what kind of extensions? What kind of extensions are we talking about? I don't even have extensions. I'm bold as fuck, man. Who is this guy here? I don't want to fucking click this link. Benjamin, you're the best. I was thinking, what the fuck is this guy talking about this fake filler extension? I said, what the hell is that, a fake filler? If I think about a fake filler extension, let me find some image for a fake filler extension. But that's the first thing that comes to my mind. So you can already see what kind of guy I am. A fake filler extension. This is a fake filler These are fake fillers, man. Fake fillers, that's what I'm thinking about. Fake filler extensions, like these things here and whatever, you know? That's fake filler extensions. That's what I'm thinking about. What the hell is this guy talking about? But now, what Benjamin actually... what Benjamin actually is telling me, there is like a fake filler extension on the Google Chrome thing, which basically probably dumps data into a forum based on what it needs to be. Type password, yada yada yada, and you're good to go. Which is an amazing thing because, yeah. Thank you so much, Benjamin. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for that. Yeah. When the programmer think woman first, then code. Yeah, I know. I'm basically underestimating people here. I'm underestimating a lot of people here. Just wanted to say I've been learning the Go basics from you, building a home automation server, and just want to say thanks for all you do. Really like the way you break down your thoughts. Hey, Jake, never good. Thank you so much, man. Much appreciate that. Thank you so much. These things are keep me going. You know what I mean? These things keep me going. Like all these positive feedback. I came from a bad couple of weeks. Not gonna lie, like a lot of negative stuff around me. That's a little bit my own fault because I tend to troll people a little bit on the comments and on the on the Twitter and all that stuff. So, but now I'm basically a little bit more relaxed. And because I say you get what you get. How do you say that? You seed what you reap what you seed. How do you say that? You harvest what you seed. Actually, that's the one. Right. So if you're gonna seed a lot of troll, you're gonna get a lot of troll back. And then it's like, oh, they're trolling me. Oh. Yeah, Anthony, stop crying, man. It's your own fucking fault. You know? That's what my girlfriend said. Man, he said, stop crying. Wipe your tears. And so I did. I grabbed and I washed my tears away. No, I didn't cry, of course. Maybe a little bit. Maybe a little. You reap what you sow. Okay, yeah, that's the correct thing. Sow, seed, sow. Okay, so man, what is that? That's a crazy thing. Benjamin, if it matters, I don't even code in Go. Yeah, I know, you're a PHP boy, huh? And that's fine. That's fine. That's pretty fine. PHP is nice. I was checking Laravel not so long ago. It's cool. Pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. So basically the self-contained components that I'm gonna build here is going to be a little bit based inspired by the Laravel's Livewire. Actually, that's what I'm trying to build here as well. Laravel's Livewire. It's not that hard to do. I just need to find time to do. But first, I'm gonna make this needs to be done. Then the tests. I need to write a shit ton of tests, some documentation, and then I'm gonna experiment with these components that will basically have HTMX baked in somewhat, and then yeah, you're gonna see. For example, like data tables, and it's gonna be amazing, man. Gonna be amazing. I have the stream in the background while working. That's crazy. If I had myself on the background, I couldn't work. I mean, like a madman. Like a madman like me. Okay, let's go back here. How much time? 2 hours. That's actually crazy already. And this to-do comment, I need to change that. This color, I don't really like it. There's this plugin here. Can I actually mark this? Hey, I can do... Hey, is that how you... Wait. Shift V? Highlights the whole line? Since when is that? Why would you actually do that? Why would I need that? Why would I need this? Wait, can I... It's the whole line. Okay. How can I... Yeah, this one. Yeah, you do sometimes scare shit out of me. I can imagine that. I scared the shit out of myself as well. Hey Anthony, big fan. What's up, AK47? What's up, man? Welcome. 640 view. That's crazy. We're doing good today. I don't know why. Is this my title? Is my title just special or something? I don't know. I just basically didn't announce the stream. I have no fucking thumbnail. I just came online, put it a random title. I actually didn't plan to stream. Everybody's just left the house. It's like, I said, okay, as everybody's leaving, then I'm gonna do my thing. Ah, people have the day off. Okay, that Juneteenth. What the hell is that? What is this? I find life. How can I click this? I find life. Get up. Come, I will type it over because I cannot copy from that. Jfind life. Man, but why do you guys know all these things? Where do you get these? Which kind of a newsletter? Forum? Are you guys reading to get to know these projects? Like every day people say, hey, did you check this? Did you check that? It's like, what the hell? Where do you get these things from? I mean, because it's probably not that much views. You see it? It's only has 6 on the star. It's nothing. It's not so popular. That's why I don't know it, right? Okay, but the thing is that this reminds me too much on the C compilers. So, but that's something we're gonna do, right? But you have something like HTMX already on your you already have something like HTML. Am I actually yelling? Because I have this noise cancellation headset on, so I don't know if I'm... What kind of a volume I'm talking. Because I want... Yeah, it's crazy. Anyway, so we have HTMX already in the thing, so we could do a lot of stuff like this, but without hassle. We're gonna see how that's gonna work. I need to think about that. I have some ideas, but... The mailer thing, that's what we need to do, right? Look at that, man. Closing all the buferos. Ow! Nou, Boerharm, stop it nou. Hoe bedoel je stop? I would be if I swear to God, I should have like a Dutch channel or something. That would be crazy. If I would be on a Dutch channel, oh my goodness. Like I think I am like 20. I'm like 45x a better entertainer in my own fucking language. I think because then people can actually understand me, right? Because right now I cannot even speak decently, right? My English sucks. I cannot basically. I have something in my mind. I want to say it, but I can't because I cannot formulate it that well. But in Dutch, man, holy macaroni, I can spit the rhymes, you know? Busta. They call me Busta. Rhymes. And maybe Cassandra instead of Mungo. Do you Docker? Finally a stream I can watch with my family. I don't think so. That's a good idea, to be honest. Oh, you mean the Dutch one? HMX cut most of the time for you dev on the yeah, 100%. So what needs to be done before I can close this authentication stuff all out? The mailer thingy. The notification. We were thinking about notification instead of mailing, right? But to be honest, I mean, what we could do actually to make it even better, right? To make it even more generic, is not use a mailer. Is use something like instead of here, we should mail, right? Where is my mailer here? Where do we do that? Here, what the hell? So instead of mailing, what we could do is leave that on the user. And just say something like that. Let's say just do event, just emit an event. Event emit user dot sign up. And then we should just give the user. Boom. And do not. Wait, but we need. Yeah, if you don't want to give the. And handle the notifications in that event, right? Something like that. We need to think about that. I want to make Mern like app using Go. What is Mern stack, guys? I don't know. Let's check it out because I see Mern way too much on my Twitter feed and everything. What the hell is Mern? What the hell is the Mern stack? Look at that. If I do not need to think, I'm a beast. But if I need to think, I'm not a beast. Oh, it's MongoDB. Mern is one of the sellers. Can we stop with these cookies? You know what I think? I think there needs to be like an application. You need to build something like an application. And that application is auto-accepting cookies. Does that exist? This is a multi-billion business idea. This is multi-billion business. Multi-dollar, a lot of money. Something, I don't know if it's something that basically auto-accepts all cookies with the things you set it to. And it's also deleting these cookies after a couple hours or something, but you're auto-accepting them, and it's something like that. So you never, ever need to deal with these things. Because if you can make something like that, me and all my friends, which with all my network, we will buy your shit. We will buy a subscription because I don't want to deal with these cookies anymore. And it needs to be synced across all your machines. Your cell phone, your laptop, and your desktop. And then make something for Teams. Auto cookie acceptor for Teams. You know what I mean? God fucking damn it. Does that exist already? I swear to God. If you can make that. Change it. Whoa, I missed a shit ton of Twitch chat. Holy crap. Oh no, I know why. We want to delete this guy here. That was a thing. Correctly. How do we do this? I need to be very careful. Mansoor, delete this guy. Awesome, go, KFD. Mongo, Express, React, and Node. Mongo, This is a stack you don't want, right? Like MongoDB, why? It's like just use SQL. It's Postgres or something. So use SQLite. That's even better. Well, it's not better, but it's like for testing, SQLite is easy. Express is like nobody uses that shit anymore. React and Node. It's like these things you wanna get out of, you know. JavaScript is a nice language for the front end. GDPR cookie. You mean auto accept cookies extension? Yes. Yes, auto accept cookies. Auto accept my cookies. Whenever site I come, auto accept them. And click it. Right? I don't want to click it. I don't want to see it anymore. Right? Cookies do not exist anymore for me. Right? There should be a way. I cannot even imagine. I mean, people, guys, listen. Elon Musk, a programmer that made a financial banking app, is sending rockets to fucking Mars. They make 20,000 flip-flops. They come back and they land back where they came from. They just land precisely back where they were shooted from. And you are telling me that you cannot make an auto-accepting cookie thing. That's blow my mind. The fucking ancients have built pyramids where people still of today don't know how. That's maybe why we cannot build this accept cookie. Okay, now it all makes sense. Now it all makes sense. Okay, we built pyramids so many years ago, and now we don't know how to do it anymore. Okay, cool. Elon Musk is sending rockets to Mars, but we cannot accept cookies automatically. Okay, makes sense. I rest my case. What's up with the Go School Total Coder? That's a good question. So the Total Coder is where I make some videos. Total, actually, school. There are videos here, man. It's like there's a Golang mini course as well, but I mean, building Lavenue is like a shit ton of videos in it. Event system I'm trying to do. You know what I mean? VS Code, delete this video. So it's not true. That's nice. But this theme is not so cool. Bit too light. That's Total Coder. It's just $9 a month, and you get some as a private live stream as well on Sunday. And yeah, I mean, I'm actually not in the mood to market today. But you can check the link in the description and click on all things I sell. And if something you want to buy, you buy it. If you don't want to buy it, hey, you don't want to buy it. No marketing today. I'm gonna do some. I will find the time after summer. I will do some big marketing because right now everybody's uni and exams and yada yada. Doing marketing right now is a waste of time for me. First of all, I need to make SuperKit so good and then make tutorials about that and sell a course. Multi-billion. I'm a businessman. No, if I gonna make some courses, they're gonna be included in a lot of things I already have. So if you have already bought something from me, you're most likely gonna have that for free now. Wait, this is a weird question. The other day I watched Musk's stream where he gamed and talked about his projects. And man, comparing to him, you realize how shitty he is doing dev stuff compared to him. Well, yeah, but listen, you don't want to live his life. You don't want that. You don't want to be you don't want to be Elon Musk. You don't want to be that. Man, I just basically pitched $1 million business idea, and nobody can basically say to me like, hey, that already exists. is why can we not auto accept cookies? GDPR issues? Probably it is, but that's not true because you're pre-configuring, right? You're gonna go to the app and you're gonna set what you want, right? You're gonna say, hey, accept cookies with these permissions, yada 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 yada, automatically for me. Is it a security issue? Is that the thing? Is it legal wise not possible? Because I mean, this is a bit. I would buy it. I mean, it's so annoying. Every site pops up something. It's crazy. It's like, what the hell? We can. Super agent. Uh-huh. Amazing. You see, that's a problem, guys. This is a problem. Again, I'm gonna say this again. This is a business. This is a business tip for you. This already exists, probably. Well, you can. Believe me. Copy this. Copy this right now. Make it better, and do better marketing, and you're gonna make money. You don't even. This is for free. Okay, I need to do that on that. It's probably not gonna work decently. I mean, I want to pay for this. You know, I'm not gonna do it for free. I don't believe in that. If there's no pricing page, I cannot subscribe, so I'm not gonna install it. Simple as that. You see? You define your preferences once, and Super Agent will do the rest. Exactly. Yeah, auto cookie accept, auto cookie reject. You could do whatever. You could say, okay, every fucking. For example, if the website comes from social media, for example, if it's social media, you could label these websites, right? Okay, if the website is more social media-ish thing, reject it. I don't want to reject the cookies. But if it's like, I don't know, an app you use for your work, I mean a tool, some tools use cookies to get you a better experience, legit. So you could accept or whatever, and you see you could pre-configure these things, and then it's GG. No cookies anymore. Cookies are out of the world because everything is managed properly, right? And if you do know, and if the program does not know what to do, simple pop-up. Like clear, because sometimes the cookies are here, or they are here, or a banner there with some ad on top, and then another ad on top, and then another banner on top. It's like, just boom, easy. Shortcut. A shortcut, like, I don't know, GG. Boom. Accept. Something like that. What if I don't want to make money? Then, I don't know, man. Play League of Legends. Or something else. Season of Discovery or something. Ah, Super Agent isn't free. What the hell? You see, these guys are so fucking bad at doing marketing. They are so bad. So bad. Like, where? What? Fuck. What the fuck, guys? What are you sleeping? This is garbage. Make something better. Make a better site. Just copy exactly what they do. Just, you don't need, copy paste. Copy paste. Make a better page with a pricing plan. Get your pricing decently. Do a pay for once or something like that. And just like a forever price, something like this. Make it cheaper. Make it better. Make a corporate version, because if I was a corporate guy, what is this website? This website is being made by a vegan. You know what I mean? This is not corporate. You want to have something for corporates as well. They don't want to hassle with pop-ups. They hate that. Fix it. Build a company. Build your startup right now. Super Agent 2. Right now. Do what I say and trust me. It's gonna be good. I fucking hate subscriptions. Dude, then I pay for once. I pay for once, right? So imagine that. How can you do pay for once? Well, this is a new thing. This is a new meta is coming out. A new meta. The meta is basically this. You pay $9 times 12 for a year. Which is this thing. It's actually too much. It's going to be a $4.99 times 12, right? Times 11 because you do some discount. Okay. You see? So let's say it's going to be a $49.99 for 1 year. Actually, it's too much. Let's divide this by 2. We're going to have this. So let's say $19. Yeah. What am I doing? Okay, stop. 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 We're not gonna cover this. It's very simple. You just pay for once. You just calculate something like how long is my user gonna stay. Just do a calculation. Like, is he going to stay 1 year? Is he going to churn after 2 years? Let's say he's gonna churn after 1 year. You just let him pay for 1 year and a bit, for 1 year and a half. Once pay once, enjoy forever. 1 year and a half, boom. Because this motherfucker's gonna churn anyway. You know what I mean? Do it like that. And you're gonna rake in. Yes. One-time payments suck more. That's not true. They're actually good. One-time payments, they suck not more. It's because you cannot see the benefits from that, you know? It's like, you can buy a car for 1,000 euros a month. Or you can buy 110k once. Sucks, huh? 110k. Paying that once. That hurts. You know? I know. But that 110k is much cheaper than this 100k a month because you're gonna pay interests. You know what I mean? So if you know that you're gonna use a tool forever, if you know that you're gonna use a tool forever or at least 5 years, as long as you can, why would you pay monthly? Why would you pay yearly if you can pay once for $1? This is how you get rich, my friend. But it's, of course, it's a lot of money up front. I understand that. And especially if you do not know the product. I understand it as well. But hey, I mean, have you talked to DHEAT recently? Why? Ah, you mean the ones from them? Yeah, but that's something different, right? Yeah, okay. They do, yeah, that's the same thing actually. Yeah, the ones thingy. There. What do they have again? What do they sell? I think it's their chat system. Slack. How is it called? Signal. Is it Signal? Signal Basecamp. No, because I'm thinking I'm gonna do the same with the Total Coder as well. Instead of I have 302 members, huh? Instead of doing, where is the price? I'm logged in, so I cannot tell. But instead of doing $9, you're gonna pay for once, and I'm gonna give the people that have the full-time GoDev are gonna get for free. I'm planning that, but I'm busy with revenue as well with a fucking deadline again, and after that I'm gonna set that up. So you pay once, you pay the course once, you get the Total Coder subscription for free, and future updates, something like that. That's what I want to do. Campfire, exactly, that's it. Game Gears, Campfire. Basecamp, Campfire. Campfire is their thing. In what is it written? I think they use Elixir or something. Not quite sure what they use. But they use SQLite, huh? Okay, guys, I'm gonna call it a day. So we have this. I need to think about this notification. I'm gonna do that off stream tomorrow. I'm gonna make it, and then we can build some. If you see some cool stuff, if you want to add some cool stuff, hey, be my guest. If you have some good ideas or things you don't like, let me know. So we can make it nice, right? Look at that. It's fading away. I think Soden is coding like this, isn't it? All right, boys. Ruby on Rails. Yeah, but the thingy, the chat system is not Ruby on Rails. Well, it's the parts of it, but I think their chat system, the backend of the chat system sending these messages is Elixir. I think. We can verify right now. Camp fire Elixir. Please can't we get this thing? I don't really, man. I think it's Elixir anyway. Cool, guys. Thanks for being here. Love you so much. Don't forget to go to the super kit, give it a star, subscribe to my channel. It's entirely Ruby on Rails. Is that true? That's crazy. That's sick. I thought they were using something else. That's insane. That's insane. I'm not gonna lie. Anyway, have a nice evening. Happy 10th of happy 20. I don't know. There's something's going on in America. What is it? 20th of July? I don't know. Bye bye, man.